I'm going to start the first lap of Quest-1 of track 1. I'm going to copy the password and open it incognito, and then you will see the username will already be pasted here. I'm going to just paste the password and next. Then I'm going to accept all the terms and conditions, and this is our dashboard. It is opening. Just wait 6 minutes and then we'll end the lab. These types of pop-up will occur. You have to just agree and continue. Okay, let's wait. After 6 minutes it will be done. Okay. There is no task in this lab, that's why no need to do anything. Yes, you can give these quizzes also. These types of many quizzes like questions are there. Okay, many more are there. Okay, and here in the home page you will find all the syllabus of the program. That is our track 1, and we are doing this Quest-1. And you will see these types of green tick will occur. I have already done this, that's why you will see the green tick, but in your case it will not be green tick in the first time. Just spend at least 6 minutes and do it, and you can see my lab is running, the same as lab is running. Okay, and besides I am going to start another lab. Okay, just I have to finish all the quests uh, as fast as possible, that's why I'm going to do this. Let's see what happens. I'm going to start this lab also. You will see, if you find that for sorting the time you will sequentially run all the labs beside, that's not possible. You can see I am just going to that I'm just giving a demo that you can't do it. Okay, you can do it in uh, another browser. You can try this, but it will not happen because one lab is running. Until you end the lab, the next will not start. Okay, so after 6 minutes after approx 3 minutes we will end the lab, and we'll see that you will see that it will be green tick, no problem will be there. Then we will start our next lab. Okay, I'm going to pause the video now. You can see now approximately 6 minutes we have spent, so I'm going to just end the lab. And as you know, I have done this lab previously, that's why it is green tick. Now for in your case it will be green tick. Okay, no problem will be there. It will just refresh the page, it will be green tick. Okay, next lab is our virtual machine. I'm going to start this lab also, and after that just end this dashboard, because no need, there is no need of this dashboard. Okay, we will get another dashboard with the new username and password. Okay, I'm going to just close the windows and copy the password and right click on it and open link in incognito window. Okay, So you automatically username will be replaced. I'm going to next, and then paste the password, then accept all the conditions. Then a pop-up can occur that you are from India, and you have to agree and continue with that. Okay, I'm going to just I agree and continue. In this lab there is a task, you know that you know from it, because there is this calls a scoreboard. Okay, the task is this: create a computer engine instance and create a new instance with Gcloud. Okay, so I have to authorize that. Just this is called cloud cell. Click that. Okay, cloud cell is being opened. Wait and continue. This is basically after provisioning it will be connected. Okay, yes, got it. And this is the interface. I'm going to paste the first command, gcloud auth list. It will be authorizing. Okay, I'm authorized that. After that you can list the project id. Yes, I'm going to list the project id. Okay, okay, let's see what the new tasks are there. Yes, they said to navigation menu we'll find compute engine, then go to VM instance. Let's see where is the things are there. Just click on navigation menu. Here you will find compute engine, then go to VM instance. Okay, the page is running and it will be opening after few seconds. Then you will find create instance, and the instance name should be Gclab. Okay, this is the create instance. Just click that, and you will find a name field there. Yes, you can see now. Just paste the GC lab as they said, to paste that only. Region should be central one and the zone F. Okay, it's defaultly already set it. No prop I have no need to set again. N1 to vCPU. Just select N1 and select N1 standard 2 to vCPU. Then boot disk will be new 10 GB balance per system. Okay, you can see here 10 GB balance per system, so no need to change another things also. Here you can see Debian Geno Linux 10 and allow the HTTP traffic. Here you can see they said that allow HTTP traffic, then create it. I'm going to just creating it. After creating, you will able to see a page like this with green tick, and it will be generated an external IP. Then you will see this SSH, which are the gateway to connect the virtual machine. You can easily connect to your virtual machine. In the row for your machine, click SSH. After SSH, you have to paste this command to get root access. Okay, you can see this is green tick. I'm going to click this SSH and connecting it. Okay, connect. Just paste it. Okay, now I have to update it, the OS. Here just paste it. Okay, then I have to install the nginx. Then after installing, I have to confirm it that successfully installed or not. Okay, let's see. These types of output is occurring, you can see. and here you can see same output is they provided, that this should be occurred as an output. Then after external IP you will get welcome to nginx etc. Let's see if you not able to get see this, so there will be something error you have done. So let's see what we have done. Just going to external IP. Yes, we have done. Thank you for using nginx. Okay, let's check our progress. Okay, let's copy it. We will do the same task, just copy that, and it should be created like throughout the cloud cell. Okay, and all things that this we are creating this through the compute engine to go to the VM instance, then we are going to create the instance. We'll do it by writing a code. Just okay, let's see, we have done, and go to that page. Let's see, we have already created Gclab, and then just few seconds ago we have created Gclab 2. Just refresh the page, you will able to see that. Yes, you can see Gclab 2. I'm going to check my progress. Yes, I have done all the things and I got 100 out of 100. I'm going to just end the lab. 5 star. Okay. So our next, you can see it's or you can do it. I have done this. You can done this also. Just go throughout all the instructions. Next, this is mandatory lab. Just go throughout this. Okay, and start the lab. And after starting the lab, destroy the previous terminals. No need, because we have no need that terminal. We will get another username and password. Temporary environment. Basically, it gives us a temporary environment to do all the things. Okay, so we have got our new username. It will be replaced here. Next, paste here. Accept that. Okay, let's see what are the tasks. You can authorize it, no problem, if you do not want to authorize. Okay, I am going to accept all the terms, services. Go throughout the active cloud cell. Continue. Yes, this is our task. Got it. Paste that. Authorize the pop-up. Okay. Copy the codes and paste it here. And here you can see you copy for project and the space. Copy it and paste here. Compute region. Okay. Wait. Uh, just authorize it. Some problems occurring in that case. Close that, and again. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, now next list the project ID. Let's see. Yes, our zone and region is unset, so we have to set our region. So just copy from here to here and paste it here, and copy US Central 1, enter. To see your default region, you will see these types of error will occur because it will not set. This is basically unset regions. So if this region and zone response are unset, that means no default region is set. So we have to set, we have to place that what is the our regions and what is our zones. So leave it. Next, go the next task, copy from here to here. As a beginner, try all the comments, then all concepts will be clear. Okay, and this is your project ID. This is your project ID. Copy that and paste here, then enter. Okay, so now export your project ID. Just copy from here to here and paste it here, and this is your project ID. Just paste here and enter. Okay, and now your zone. Your zone means what is your zone? Create an environment variable to store your zone, replacing your zone with the value of zone. So suppose copy it and paste here. So I am choosing suppose US Central 1. I am suppose in US Central 1. Let's see what if they give any zones. So I have no need to change that. Okay. Yes, they already gives, you can see here the value, this value, this is the zone. Just copy it and paste here. Our zone's name is US Central 1A. Okay, and then call it. Yes, you can see project echo project ID. It will be call your project ID, that is your quick lab GCP 03 something. For me, in your case it will be different, and the zone is defined. Then create a virtual machine with Gcloud 2. Copy it, paste here, and check my progress. See, when it will be done, it will be printed. Okay, let's see. Okay, it already created. So now check that. Yes, it is printed. You can see. Then to open help for the create command, run the following command. No need to do that. Explore Gcloud commands. Okay, so basically we have done our task. You can see there is many other things are there. You can do it, but I have done already that. This is green tick, and here you can see one task that is create a virtual machine with Gcloud. I have done that. No need. I do not want to spend another many times for this lab. There is another labs also which are very big than it. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the lab. Let's see it's done or not. You can see it is 100 out of 100. I'm going to back. Yes, you can see this is green tick, and this is our fourth lab. I'm going to start the lab. Copy the password, right click, and then pay and close the previous season. Okay, it will be automatically username replaced, and paste your password, then agree and accept. You will be redirected to your GCP platform. Agree and continue. Okay, so what is the task? Create a coordinate engine. uh, yes, this is our set one. Let's see. Sorry for the disturbances, background noises. I have to set my default compute zone, that is US Central 1A. Got it. Okay, if these types of page will occur, no, just black and white, close that. That means something problem in the cloud cell. If you paste the comments, it will generate errors. Okay, now it's okay there. Green yellow color is your username. Okay, just paste it and authorize. Okay, then create a GKE cluster, copy whole thing except cluster name field, paste here, and suppose my example is suppose my cluster name is my cluster. Enter. Always remember, during creation of cluster it will take at least 5 to 6 minutes, or it can take 8 to 9 minutes also, depending upon the region. Okay, so cluster is being configured and it's working. Cluster is being deployed. I am going to pause the video. When you have to wait just now, when it will be done we will continue. It is now working. After creation of the cluster we will continue the other tasks. Okay, as you can see cluster is created. So let's check the progress. Yes, done. Then authenticate the cluster, copy from this to this. And what is the name of our cluster? The cluster name was my cluster. Then we have to create new deployment, paste it. Yes, deployment.apps hello server created. Check my progress. Again, if this types of problem occur, again copy it and paste here. Yes, you can see fail to create deployment already exist. Okay, let's again check my progress. Yes, now it's done. Always remember, don't worry, it will take some time. Okay, it will take to update the scopes. Okay, now check my progress. Okay, then copy the next one and paste here, and then inspect it. Then wait for the external IP. Okay, here you can see pending. Paste here, again paste. When the external IP will came, then you will see that. Again paste that. You can see now a external IP generated like this. Then copy that one and go to the new tab and paste it in the, just remove the external IP with the brackets and copy this external IP and paste here and then enter. Yes, hello server version 100, hello host name, hello server 760, etc. So you can see these types of output occurred. I'm going to just check my progress. Okay, done. So all things are done. Then I have to delete our cluster, copy that, paste here. And what is the name of our cluster? My cluster. Do you want to continue? Why? Yes. Deleting the cluster. It is working in progress. It will take few seconds or 1 to 2 minutes also. It can take. It is still working, you can see. You can see now uh, it is still deleting. So I'm going to check my progress. As you know, for during creation it will take too much time, like 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 minutes, and we have configured many things in the cluster, and it will take some time to delete it. Okay, so let's see here. It is still working. That's why you are not checking. You are not check. You cannot check your progress. That is, it is this showing that you have not done this work. Okay, when it will be green tick, that means you have done all the things. You have set all the things. Okay, wait. You got 75 out of 100, but until you got 100, if you end the lab, all things will be erased and the lab will not be checked. So you have to wait. How much it will take long time? You have to wait. Yes, done. Let's check. Yes, you have done. You can see now it is green tick and we got 100 out of 100. Approximately 4 to 5 minutes it takes. So we got it and I'm going to end the lab. Submit 5 stars. Let's our next lab and our last lab is set up network HTTP load balancer. It's bit a longer lab. Okay, it will take some time. You want to start the lab without wasting any time. Destroy the previous console and refresh it with new username and password. Paste your password. Accept it. Okay, copy it. Open the cloud shell. Continue. Provision your. It is basically provisioning your cloud shell machine and connecting to your cloud shell instance. Yes, got it. Paste it. Authorize it. Paste the set your zone. Then copy this. Paste here. Copy this. Paste here. Copy the next one. Paste here. Create a firewall rule. Copy it. Paste here. Copy it. Paste here. Okay, let's check my progress. Yes, done. Copy the next one. Paste. Basically, it is a static external IP address for our load balancer. We have already created it and add a legacy HTTP. Paste here. Then add a target pool. Paste here. Add an instance to the pool. Then after that add the forwarding rule. Then check my progress. Yes, it's done. Copy the next one to view the external IP. We create the load balancer template. Then manage the instance groups. Create a FW allow health check rule. Basically firewall rule. Then instance are up running and check it. Global static. This is your reserved address. Note it. Open notepad. And paste here. Sorry. Paste here. In other task, if it needed, then we have to use that command, use the IP. Okay, then paste the next one. Basically health check of load balancer. Then we are creating the backend service. Then add our instance group as the backend to backend service. Then create a URL map to route the incoming request. Then create a target HTTP proxy to route request. Then global forwarding rule, create it. Wait for it. Okay, created. Let's check. It will take some time. Wait. Just wait. It will take some time. Okay. Basically, it is updating. It will basically, as it's updating, that's why it is taking time. And we have done the all of the things very fastly. That's why sometimes are taking. Just wait. After 2 minutes, we will check our progress. Okay. We have already verified our created alias HTTPS load balancer. Okay, but as an automation progress, it cannot verify it. So time will require for this. You can see only five marks is left. Now you can see at 49 minute 11 second it's ticked. Now you can see it is automatically updated to 100. Just wait and it will get 100 out of 100. So we have done our lab, so no problem will be there. We are going to end the lab. Yes, we have earned a new badge that calls Gcloud Essentials. Okay, and I will show you how the public profile link will you can see. Okay, you can see these types of badge will be in your public profile link. Okay, so that's it. Thanks.